Hello students, welcome to Shrav's classes. Today we will be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. We have question number 24 in hand. The sequence of 3 steps involved in the following conversion is, and we have a benzene as our compound. This is the compound we have in hand, and this is the product. So we have to choose from these 4 options the process this benzene, which is our compound, will undergo in order to form this product. So starting with the compound we have in hand, that is benzene, which when added to CH3 CH2 C double bond O Cl and in presence of AlCl3 and H2O will give us this benzene ring attached to C double bond O CH2 CH3. So this process is Fidelkraft's acylation. This is Fidelkraft's acylation process. So this is number 1. Next, from this we will add, to this we will add CH3CH Cl CH3 in presence of AlCl3 H2O. So this process is Fidelkraft's alkylation. So this will give us benzene attached to C double bond O CH2 CH3, and so this process, the second process, will be Fidelkraft's alkylation, and process 3 will be Zn mercury presence of HCl. So this is basically reduction, and it will reduce this part, so it will be a chain, and this part with the benzene here. So this will be reduction. So part 3 is reduction. So according to the options, first there will be Fidelkraft's acylation, then Fidelkraft's alkylation, then reduction, and we have acylation first, then alkylation and reduction in option number B. So the answer will be option number B. Thank you.